We all strive to make healthy choices. We read labels, choose organic produce, and limit processed foods. But what if one of the biggest dangers to our health is hiding in plain sight, disguised as a harmless cooking staple? This is the shocking truth about seed oils. These ubiquitous oils, often marketed as heart-healthy, are anything but. They lurk in our kitchens, disguised as corn oil, soybean oil, canola oil, and more. The truth is, these oils can have devastating effects on our health. These oils are not traditional foods. They are recent additions to our diets, appearing only in the last century. Our ancestors thrived for millennia without them. In fact, their bodies evolved to utilize entirely different types of fats that nourished their cells and promoted well-being. Seed oils, on the other hand, are foreign to our biology. They disrupt our internal balance and set the stage for chronic disease. Seed oils are often touted as healthy choices. They're low in saturated fat and high in polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. We've been told that these qualities make them heart-healthy. However, this is a dangerous oversimplification. While we need some omega-6 fatty acids, the problem lies in the excessive amounts found in seed oils and the severe imbalance they create in our bodies. These oils are highly unstable. Their chemical structure makes them prone to oxidation, especially when exposed to heat, light, and air. This oxidation process creates harmful compounds called free radicals. Free radicals wreak havoc inside our bodies, damaging cells and contributing to inflammation, a root cause of numerous chronic diseases. The journey from seed to bottle is a far cry from the natural, wholesome image often portrayed. The production of seed oils is a highly industrialized process involving numerous steps that strip away any semblance of natural goodness. It starts with seeds like soybeans, corn, and cottonseed, often genetically modified to increase yield. These seeds undergo a series of harsh treatments, including high heat, chemical solvents, bleaching, and deodorizing. These processes not only remove impurities, but also strip away beneficial nutrients and introduce harmful chemicals. The final product is a highly refined, denatured oil, far removed from its natural state and detrimental to our health. If consuming seed oils cold is detrimental, heating them, especially to high temperatures used in frying, magnifies the danger exponentially. Under high heat, these unstable oils undergo a toxic transformation. They break down into harmful compounds, including trans fats and aldehydes. Trans fats are notorious for their artery-clogging effects, increasing the risk of heart disease. Aldehydes, on the other hand, are carcinogenic, meaning they have the potential to cause cancer. These compounds, formed during the frying process, leach into our food, turning what we think is a harmless meal into a health hazard. The damage inflicted by seed oils is not immediately apparent. It's a slow, insidious process that unfolds over years, silently undermining our health. The excessive omega-6 fatty acids in these oils disrupt the delicate balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids in our bodies. This imbalance fuels inflammation, a key driver of chronic diseases. Furthermore, the free radicals generated from seed oil oxidation damage our cells, including those lining our arteries and making up our organs. This cellular damage sets the stage for heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even cancer. A startling comparison: seed oils versus smoking. The comparison might seem extreme, but the reality is that the damage inflicted by regular seed oil consumption rivals that of smoking. Both habits introduce a cocktail of toxic compounds into our bodies. These compounds damage our cells, promote inflammation, and increase the risk of numerous chronic diseases. While smoking primarily targets the lungs, seed oils exert their harmful effects systemically, impacting virtually every cell in our bodies. This makes these seemingly innocuous oils a silent but potent threat to our well-being. Embrace the alternative's healthier oils for a healthier you. The good news is that we don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction to protect our health. Plenty of healthy and delicious alternatives to seed oils exist. These traditional fats, revered for centuries for their culinary and health benefits, can transform our cooking and our health. Avocado oil, with its mild flavor and high smoke point, is perfect for high heat cooking. Coconut oil, a saturated fat that remains stable even at high temperatures, is another excellent choice. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, adds a distinct flavor to dishes and is best used for low-heat cooking or as a dressing. And let's not forget about butter and ghee, traditional fats that add richness and depth of flavor to our meals. Cooking for wellness, safe. Cooking practices for optimal health. Choosing the right oil is only half the battle. How we cook our food also plays a crucial role in minimizing the formation of harmful compounds. Deep frying, while tempting, should be avoided altogether, especially when using seed oils. Sticking to cooking methods such as stir-frying, pan-frying with minimal oil, baking, roasting and grilling can significantly reduce the formation of harmful compounds. Air frying, a relatively new technique, is another excellent option, allowing us to enjoy crispy, flavorful foods without the need for excessive oil. Your health, your choice. Make the switch today. The evidence is clear. Seed oils are not the health foods they're marketed to be. They are silent saboteurs, slowly eroding our health from the inside out. But the power to change our health destiny lies in our hands. By making conscious choices about the oils we use and how we cook our food, we can protect ourselves and our families from the dangers of seed oils. Making the switch might seem daunting at first, but it's a journey worth taking. Our health is our most valuable asset and it deserves to be protected. Start by replacing seed oils in your pantry with healthier alternatives. Experiment with new cooking techniques that enhance flavor without compromising your well-being. Small changes, made consistently, can lead to significant, long-lasting health benefits. Choose wisely, cook consciously, and embrace a life of vibrant health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates.